Pipe blockage repair. The red area is the area prone to blockage. Adjust the normal pressure to 0.21 MPa. And the pressure value will increase significantly when blockage occurs. Disassemble the dental handpiece. Check if the blockage is in the body location. After the body is blocked, check if it is due to the lining causing the blockage. If the blockage is caused by the lining, replace it with a new one. Use a wire to pass through two pipes to remove foreign objects inside the pipe. Check again if the body is blocked. Install the head, press the head with your hand, and check if the dental handpiece is blocked. After reassembling the dental handpiece, check again for any blockage or water leakage.